this is Harvey J from Mass Communication. I'm again with another video. As you can see in front of me, we have iPhone 14 Plus here, and we have Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. We're gonna check which phone can boot faster. Let's see which phone can boot faster. Samsung has power button here, iPhone has the similar place. Let's try 1, 2, and 3. iPhone 14 is the clear winner. Samsung is still struggling to load in this case. Let's see how many more seconds. Needs a long time, my god. A long time boot in this case. So I will check any application is open or not. No application is here, so I'll shut it down. And we'll do the same to iPhone 14. If any application is open or not, nothing is here, so we'll shut it down as well to try one more time. So now let's see one more time. We'll change the hand, I think. Let's see 1, 2, and 3. Samsung has logo before iPhone 14. iPhone 14 in this case is the clear winner, guys. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care. Till then, bye.